So how I made over 2,300 US dollars in 24 hours, basically one day, with affiliate marketing using Google Ads and secret email traffic. So let's go straight into it. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go step by step and copy the same model. So model the same thing that I'm doing, so you can have the similar results, right? Let me show you over here, right? So you can see on my screen 2,200 euros, which is basically, let's say 2,350 US dollars, right? Not bad for one day. Now let's look at this system. What am I doing? As you can see over here, right? So I'm utilizing email marketing, right? So imagine this: you wake up in the morning, you send one email, right? However, whatever software you're using, and you make $1,000 or $500 in that day, right? And that's all the work you do. I know it sounds too good to be true, right? But it actually works. If you look at every company, Facebook, Netflix, they're all asking you for name and email, right? Why? Because they understand the power of database, and all the money is in the list anyway, right? So it's very important thing to understand. If you want to minimize the money you're spending every month on ads, right? And you want to do it for free, so basically free traffic, don't have to spend money on ads, and still make $1,000 per day or per week, whatever your goal is, right? You can see over here, right? You don't have to have a lot of people. I mean, it's a big lie out there that you need to have hundreds of thousands of people on your list to make a lot of money. It's not true, right? As you can see over here, let's do the math, simple math. Over here, you see almost 1,000 people, right, on my list, on this niche, which is actually weight loss, right? Open rate is 50%, so it means that 500 people opened basically the email that was sent from my site. I did not write the email, right? It was done for me, of course. And then click-through rate was 45%. So basically 45% actually clicked, right? What was inside the email. So that's actually, right, 250 people, let's say, out of 1,000 people. And if you have only one sale or two sales from those 400 to 200 people, how much you make? You can make 500, you can make $5,000. Depends what offer you're promoting. High ticket, low ticket. Let's say Clickbank weight loss in this case, it would be, let's say, $200, $250 for one sale, right? Maybe it's not a lot of money for you, or $300 in a day, but that's already $9,000 per month in profit without spending money on ads. So you use Google Ads to generate leads, right? Lead generation. And after that, what you do is you email them with daily or weekly email autoresponder sequences. Well, works really well if you understand what kind of email to use. Now, as you're watching, before we go further, you can later find me over here on my Instagram, right? You can find me on my IG over here. So if you want to ask any questions regards to Clickbank affiliate marketing, making money online with affiliate marketing, do let me know, okay? Now, the next step I want to share with you, it's over here, all right? What it actually takes to get this kind of results. So let's go straight into it. Now, the first thing you have to understand when you're choosing the niche, it's very important to understand that what most gurus are not teaching you or showing you is mind share. So what is mind share? It's basically understanding how many times per day does a person in this niche think about their pain and problem that they're dealing with, right? You don't have to know exactly, but as you can see example, right? It has to be emotional connection to the pain and problem that they're dealing with. Why? Because they're most likely going to buy those kind of products that you are promoting as an affiliate. So for example, dating niche, right? Pregnancy, baby niche, diabetes niche. So all this is emotional connection. People behind on their bills in BizOp niche, right? They're thinking about the problem, how to pay the bills. So it's all about mind share. Very important niche factor that most people are not sharing with you, right? So the next thing is understanding audiences. It's all about message to the market match. You see, my friend, you have to have the right message so you can attract the right audience and generate good sales, all right? So you can see over here, you have totally unaware audiences, problem-aware audiences, solution-aware audiences, niche-aware audiences, and offer or product-aware audiences. This is the low-hanging fruit over here, right? Because they're already aware which product they want. You know, like you know already you want something. You go on Google search, you type for it, and you buy it, right? Or you go to Amazon or buy, or eBay and buy. because you already know in your mind what product you are looking for, right? The next thing is niche, where okay, you are in the niche of weight loss, right? You are overweight, you're fat, let's say, you know you want to lose the weight, but you don't know that you need the help. You don't know you really need a solution just yet, right? So that's the difference. And depending on what kind of message you're using, it you correlate to the results you're getting as an affiliate on Clickbank or any other affiliate network. Okay, so understanding audiences is very important. Now what do I do? Imagine this, look at this, right? Let's say you have 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars today, right now, right? You must have at least that to work with me or to do this properly, right? Now imagine this, 30 days later, after today, you're at $5,000 to $10,000 per month profit income as an affiliate. Would that be worth to you spending $5,000 or $3,000 or $1,000 more? Would it? Ask yourself this question now as you're watching this video, right? Because have you ever imagined how would it feel like that you would wake up, send one email in the morning, set up one Google ad campaign, having someone helping you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, hand-holding you so you can generate these kind of results, right? There are people making millions. I'm not talking about millions. I'm talking about just $5,000 to $10,000 per month in extra income. Ask yourself, would it be worth it to invest at least $1,000 to $5,000 US dollars to have someone help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you, showing you how to avoid getting stuck, how to avoid getting your ad account shut down, and things like that just add more stress to your life, right? It's a very important aspect, right? To have someone to help you, because video courses will not teach you this. Yes, they will give you some information. You can pay $3,000 for a video course from some guru on Clickbank. They will give you some videos, but then you get stuck. You don't know what to do. It's all copy and paste. It's not designed, right, to precisely help you build your personality type, to your business, to your timeline, to what you want to achieve, right? So this is not some 12-week sit on your ass program where you do nothing, just watch bullshit videos, but actually something that you're doing together with someone to help you along the way, all right? So what you can do next, if you're watching this video and if you want to get really results, is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can connect with me one-on-one. So Instagram, as I saw before, Facebook, WhatsApp, email. You can email me, right? You can call me on WhatsApp, but only if you're serious, right? No BS, no procrastination, because you know if you really need this, you know if you really need some help, if you really need some hand-holding along the way, and if you're really, really serious to get the result that you desire, all right? So you can also join my free private email list, where I share with you exactly the tips about marketing, paid ads, paid advertising, high ticket and low ticket, what is actually working, proven method, how to track sales, and everything in between, right? So it's all good thing, bad thing, in the good, bad, and ugly, all right? So everything in between that can happen, and that can actually help you to go on the right path to success, to have the result that you desire, right? Because as you know, you are smart, because otherwise you will not be watching this video until this point, right? But you just maybe don't know what to do, right? Which path to go, who to choose to work with, right? And I know how it feels. I understand you because I've been there. I know I tried different courses, different programs, different coaching, mentorship programs, right? And it's not about how much money you've spent. You see, it's not about how much money you pay on spend. It's about the money you could be making, but you are not, right? Because maybe you are a procrastinator, maybe you're a perfectionist, maybe you are scared that you're gonna get scammed, maybe you're afraid to lose some money, right? You're afraid to take a risk. So I know it's not your fault. It's a little bit of mindset shift, right? Because if everyone would do it, if everyone would have a gut and action to take it, everyone will get results. But they don't, right? They don't. Not everyone is like you watching this video, who is serious, who is action taker, who wants to get results, right? So if you want to get results, you know where to find me, right? If you have any questions, but only if you are serious. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know after watching.